Welcome. In this video I will try to add a ECOVACS DEEBOT vacuum cleaner to the ECOVACS Home app on the Android phone, and let's try to do it together. I will open the ECOVACS app. You will need to create an account and log into it. I already did that, so on the home screen tap add and select vacuum type. For me it's DEEBOT OZMO T8. Now I need to switch on the vacuum cleaner. And choose a Wi-Fi. It needs to be the 2.4 GHz. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Yeah, I've switched on the robot. I've heard the sound. All set. Connect with the vacuum cleaner.
Connected. Please go back to ECOVACS app to continue the setup.
Now we wait a moment. Choose the name, choose the language. You can update if you want, but ignore it. And we have our DEEBOT OZMO T8 configured. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.